It's 36 inch. So skirts is gonna be basic. 26, 36, and designer measurements 20 inches. But we don't need circumference of the waist. We're gonna build two panels, which is one front, identical, it's two, and one back. We need circumference, making a half. So I put this C, it means half a circumference. 26 by 2 is 13 inches. And half a circumference, the hip, it's 36 by 2, divided by 2, it's like 18 inches. And the length, the same size, it's 20 inches. But designer is supposed to provide a swatch of fabric, which is very important. You have to test the fabric for shrinkage. If fabric has a shrinkage, you have to add to length. So you test your fabric, you take the measurements, and you add if you need to. So let's start. For waist, we're not adding nothing. For hip, we can add extra for movement, for lining, and for if it's fabric too thick, so we can put extra, only on the hip line. So it's gonna be 1/4 on a half circumference. It's gonna be 18 inches and 1/4 hip. Okay. We build the corner. The point here, it's point W. From point W down, 7.5 inches, we're gonna find the hip line. It's a typical measurements, you know, the hip line, 7.5, 8, so now we're gonna take 7.5 inches. And down length, it's going to be 20 inches. Okay? So it's a hip. It's a length we're going to call the B, which is bottom. We make a line from these points. So we got all horizontal lines. So waist, hip, and bottom. We're gonna find the H1 point, which is widest point in the body, in the skirt, I mean, and we got 18.25, right? So H1, it's like I said, have circumference on the hip, which is 18 inches plus extra. It's 1/4. It's gonna be 18 and 1/4 inches. So from point H, if I write down H1, it's mean from H to H1. So from H to H1, we're gonna do 18 inches and a quarter. Got vertical line. We got H1. This is W1. And this point, it's a B1. So we got square, almost we just covered. So we're gonna find the side seam on a skirt. It's some interesting moment here. Okay. The total size of dots we're going to find by formula, which is H1 minus W1. It's 18 inches, 1/4 minus W1, that's 13 inches. So it's gonna be 5 1/4. It's total difference. So 5 1/4 included the side darts, 2 front dart and back dart. So this side dart, the formula is 2, so it's easy, like in this moment. So this 5 1/4 divided by 2. It's gonna be 2 5/8 inches. Okay. So we're gonna find now side darts. We're gonna find the side seam H2 equal H1 divided by 2 minus 3/8 inches. So what does it mean? It's a side seam position. Why minus 3/8? Because the seam we're gonna move on the back. You're not supposed to see seams when the woman walk in. So we're gonna hide it a little. So that's why from H to H2, we divided in half minus 3/8 from point H2. So it's gonna be 9.5 inch. So again, vertical line here.